At Hilton Daytona Beach Oceanfront Resort, we have always committed ourselves to providing the best and safest experience for our guests. We want you to feel confident when you stay with us from the moment you arrive at our valet. That's why you may notice us cleaning and disinfecting our public areas more often, increased sanitation stations throughout the resort, and capacity limitations in our dining outlets. Our food and beverage team has enhanced its health and hygiene procedures to ensure your safety and enjoyment in all of our outlets. In all lobby and elevator reception areas, we have installed floor markers indicating the correct distance our guests and team members must keep between each other. We have also placed acrylic protective barriers at all registration desks. What's more, Hilton Daytona Beach Oceanfront Resort is digital key enabled, meaning that you can contactless check-in, choose your room, and unlock your door, all from your Hilton Honors app, limiting your contact with others. We know that peace of mind when you travel starts with a clean room. Our housekeeping team follows strict quality and sanitation protocols to ensure we maintain the highest standard of cleanliness. We want you to know our dedicated team is making every effort to provide the safest experience during your stay. We know you have missed your toes in the sand, and we're ready when you are.